when I get an opportunity of that, like in gathering with the members, this is what I'm going to do first, and it is going to help me to again stay in power because they are going to see their leader working. Being that now I'm going to aspire at the district level, pray for me. I'm going to do this in the community. I'm going to tell them, I'm going to create awareness, I'm going to spread the gospel, and I'm going to train more members each village, such that that member can also spread the gospel where I can't reach. Another thing that I learned yesterday was, I was telling you, we don't make money not necessarily that we did, that we don't, we intend, but because we've been like having more costs which are necessary, unnecessary in our businesses. Reason being, we didn't know how to overcome them. But I think everyone that is here today learns according to what she does or he does, how he's going to manage that at home or at his own business. I also